Can we hide control bars in Microsoft Teams? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can hide this control panel in our Microsoft Teams. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, start a meeting in Microsoft Teams. After you've done that, you'll simply need to head over here on the top, and to hide this, you will need to just search for an option to do so. So right here, if you head over to the settings option, you'll see device settings, meeting options. So simply head over there, you will see your different options of your device, that including volumes and stuff. If you head over to meeting info, you will see your meeting status, but there is no actual way that you can just disable it till now. So head over to meeting options. Now under meeting options, you can just see who can join and who can present. But again, if you head over here and head over to accessibility, it's the same. So with this, I hope you guys can now understand that you cannot actually hide the control bar on your Microsoft Teams meeting. So yeah, that is basically all for the videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.